Sauerkraut goes with everything made of meat, especially ham. But it's a bit boring straight out of the jar, so I'm going to spice it up with a bit of a Hungarian flavor. Let's cook. So I'm going to start with this grocery store jar of sauerkraut. Not too watery, but not that tasty either. A half pound of bacon cut into small pieces. My mother actually used bits of ham left over from the last ham dinner. And start that frying over low heat. I'll put in 2 cloves of fresh garlic, much better tasting than garlic powder in this dish. Keep stirring the bacon. I want it to render the fat without making the lean parts crunchy, as if they were ham. And mince that. And add the garlic to the bacon so it starts releasing its wonderful aroma. I'll cut up a white onion. Not a fan of the flavor that red onions add, but later on I'm going to use a red onion slice as garnish because it looks so good. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And add the onion to the bacon. I want the onion to stay mainly white, not get fried to the extent that it turns completely brown. That's starting to look good and smell great. Now, 2 tablespoons of paprika into the pan. I want the paprika to almost start burning to release its flavor, but not enough to turn bitter. A few seconds will do. And the hero ingredient, of course, the sauerkraut. This particular grocery store variety does not have too much liquid, so I won't drain it before using it. In the end, I want it to be moist, but not soggy. Add that to the pan, which also stops the paprika from burning. And 6 or 8 bay leaves. I like full leaves, so they're easy to pick out before serving. And mix into the bacon and paprika. Let simmer for about 5 minutes, occasionally stirring to distribute the flavors even more. A taste test, mainly to see if it needs salt. Oh, we're good. Pick out the bay leaves. And serve. Pretty red onion rings and a couple of bay leaves for garnish. Enjoy!
That really does look and taste better than straight out of the jar. Yummy!
Ingredients: 1/2 pound bacon, 1 onion, 2 cloves garlic, 1 14-ounce jar sauerkraut, 2 tablespoons paprika, 6 or 8 bay leaves, salt to taste.